Hi, this is a core learning course by example, and today, day 27, I will guide you how to print out the Rhombus using Aster in Java. Okay, so now let's get started. I will open Eclipse, and in the main package, I will create a new class here, and I will name it. Okay, copy it first. Copy first. This one. New class, and I will name it a marine Rhombus. Okay, main finish. Here, so the same day 25 and 26. So in the day 25 we already print out the triangle, and in the 26 we print out the reverse triangle. So here today in this video we are going to print out the rhombus. So we are using the we have to combine the day 25 and 26 together to print out the data here. Okay, so now here let's start this. I will show you step by step. Yeah, so here we have to finish printing the top of the rhombus. So here we are go ahead to bring out another part of the rhombus. Okay, so now I will run the application. I try I'm trying to be enter the height of the rhombus. Yeah. Okay. Run it again. Okay. Run it. Oh no. Yeah. So here you can see it's still working fine for now. Cool. I will try with another number. I will enter the high E10. Oh no, it's not good. Not good here. The smaller number. Fine. Okay, here. Run it again. Here. Yes, it's working fine for now. And sorry, we have that had been code for the Z variable here. Okay, run it again. 6. Yes. 20. 20. Yeah. Okay, cool. So it seems working fine for now. And I hope this video will helpful for you. And after you finish this video, you know how to bring out the Rhombus using the Aster in Java. Okay, hope that video will helpful for you. And let me know if you see any issue. Bye bye and see you later.